Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showcasing the Lurker tool. So if you go into zamaxi.com and then click on tools, you'll see that we've got a list of all the products. You have the Lurker tool here, and then you can also see we've got the Smart AI bot, which is available for Kick and YouTube. I recently made a video on how you can set this up for Twitch, but yeah, there's a Kick and YouTube version as well. If you go to the Lurker Tool V2 and then click on use for free, it will take you to this web page where it will basically allow you to add streamers. So what this tool does is allows you to automatically open Twitch streams for your favorite Twitch streamers. So let's say we want to add a streamer. Let's add Crocodiles and add him. You can see that he's not streaming, he's offline, but let's add another streamer such as Rod Legion. And you can see now it's opened his stream. And if we go back, you'll see that, yep, he is live. He is streaming Assassin's Creed Odyssey with 46 viewers and he's live. So let's just mute the tab for now and just leave lurk for him. And just to make sure that this definitely does work, let's add a few more people. I'm going to add Playing Catch Up and then add Ichiban Kirei, and let's see, Gizlek. And we can see that Gizlek is streaming. So what this tool does, if you leave it open, it will automatically open a Twitch stream the moment they go live. So it allows you as a Twitch viewer to automatically lurk on their streams. So let's go on to the settings, and you can see that we've got the API configuration and we've got the reopen interval. So for the reopen interval first, you can see reopen stream after a certain amount of hours. So there is a cooldown every time someone goes live and it opens a tab. A cooldown is initiated and it will only cool down for about 12 hours before it actually opens the stream again the next time they go live, because we don't want it to open the stream every minute or so once they go live. So there is a cooldown for that, and you can change this to any value you want for 24 hours or 1 hour. So if we click on 1 hour, for example, then it will open the stream for Rod, for example, and Gizlek, but then it won't open the stream again another hour. So in case this is based on if streamers tend to stream for about half an hour and then they stream again the next 2 hours, then it will open that stream again for them. But yeah, for the default, it's just 12 hours. So for the API configuration, you don't really need to do much on this. However, there is an option for you to use your own custom API key that you get from the Twitch developer page. And so this is just in case, let's say this website becomes very busy and a lot of people use this tool and have a lot of streamers. There are rate limits when you use an API key. If ever I reach a limit on my API usage because of a lot of usage on this website, you can then use your own custom API key and then you just enter your client ID details. So what you can do is if you go into dev.twitch.tv and then make sure you log in and authorize, and then click on your console, and then on applications here, you can just click on register your application. You can just call it the Lurker Tool. Since I've already got that name, I'm just going to call it Lurker Tool Test. So for the OAuth redirect URL, you need to do https :// and then localhost. And then on category, just click on category and then choose website integration and then confidential for the client type. Click on create, and now you see we've created the application. And if you click on manage, you'll see your client ID is there. So if you copy this client ID and then go into your Lurker tool and then paste your client ID, and then if you go back into your Twitch developer page and then click on new secret, click on OK, and then right click and then copy that, and then go into Lurker tool and then paste that into the client secret and then save API settings. You can see it fetches the streamer information, and then you can now see that it's using the custom API, which is PGA PAG. And that's pretty much it. All you need to do is now leave this web page open, and then whenever someone goes live, let's say for example Crocodiles goes live, it will automatically open his Twitch stream and you'll be automatically leaving a lurk. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, And also follow me on Twitch and Kick. I'm currently multi-streaming on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube. I'm currently playing Watch Dogs, which is my first playthrough. And also look out for the week of the 25th of August is when I'm going to be streaming Alien Isolation for my birthday week. I'm going to be doing a 100% completion run for that game. So stay tuned for that as well. And I'll see you guys in another video. Take care and bye-bye.